Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to join Discord server without invite. So first of all, we have to open Discord app. Once you open it up, here you can see on the left hand side, you will have all of your servers that you are currently in, and then you will have a little green plus icon. So click on the little green plus icon, and then what I would do is able bring you to here, and you have a lot of different options. So you can click on create my own, or you can click on join a friend on Discord down at the bottom. So as you can see, once you click on that brought to here, so all you simply to do is entering the link here. You need to import http no slash forward slash discord. So for example, I put in something like football. What that will do is it will bring me over this invite page, and then as you can see, I can join this Discord server without actually having an invite. So that's how you can easily join Discord server without invite. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.